Hey guys, Chef Ryan here in the Growing Chefs Ontario Classroom Kitchen for our May monthly kids cooking class where we're talking all things spring. One of the first produce items made available to us here in Ontario is the super sour rhubarb plant. But the question is rhubarb a fruit or a vegetable? Because of its sweet and sour taste and it's typically baked into dessert, rhubarb is often thought of as a fruit. However, because of the piece of the plant that we eat is the stem, it's actually a vegetable. Weird, right? Either way, I love the taste of rhubarb, and its sourness and pink color make it perfect for turning into lemonade. So for this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a rhubarb and ginger lemonade. So let's take a look at everything we'll need. To start this recipe, I'm going to remove the large leaves from the stalks of the rhubarb. Because I grew this rhubarb in my backyard, I'm going to give it a quick wash before I chop it up. Now I can dice the rhubarb into large chunks. Rhubarb can be a bit stringy like celery, so make sure you're cutting through all the way to your cutting board. And I'll put it into my pot. Next, into my pot, I'm going to add my lemon. So I'll just cut my lemon in half and squeeze it right into the pot, making sure I catch any seeds so that they don't fall in. I'll also add a small piece of ginger. I'm not going to worry about peeling it because we're going to fish it out later. To help balance out the sourness of the rhubarb, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of honey. Now I'll add 4 cups of water and turn my pot onto a medium-high heat and bring everything to a boil. After the water has come to a boil, turn down to a medium-low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. After the rhubarb has simmered, I'm going to carefully strain off the pieces of rhubarb. Make sure you don't throw away this rhubarb pulp. It's super delicious swirled through plain yogurt. Just make sure you pick that piece of ginger out. I'm now going to carefully pour my lemonade into another 4 cups of water. I'll give it a stir and taste it. I'm now going to pop this into the fridge and let it cool completely for about an hour. Once my lemonade is cool, I can transfer it to a pitcher with ice. And now it's time to add some garnishes to our lemonade. So I have some slices of lemon that I cut a slit in, a whole strawberry that I cut halfway up that I'll just slide onto my glass, some fresh mint, and an edible flower. If you want to get really fancy, you can even add a compostable umbrella. I'm Chef Ryan from Growing Chefs Ontario, and this is my rhubarb ginger lemonade. Cheers!